Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use School Messenger, a vital communication platform connecting schools, districts, and families. This system helps you stay informed by delivering important messages directly to you. You can receive alerts for emergencies, attendance, and general school updates through various channels, ensuring you never miss critical information. It's designed to keep everyone in the school community well-informed and engaged. Getting started with School Messenger is straightforward. First, sign up using the email address your school has on file. This links your account to your students' records. Create a strong password, ensuring it has at least 6 characters, including 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. Remember to verify your account by clicking the link in the confirmation email within 24 hours. You can also download the free School Messenger app from your mobile device's app store for easy access. School Messenger delivers various message types to keep you informed. You can view broadcast messages from your school or district, such as emergency alerts, attendance notifications, and general announcements, which are typically available for 30 days. Additionally, you can engage in two-way teacher-sent messages within specific groups. All these communications are conveniently accessible through the app's centralized inbox, providing a single place for all your school-related information. Personalize your School Messenger experience by customizing your notification preferences. You can adjust how you receive messages, choosing between phone calls, text messages, or emails for various categories like attendance or general announcements. If you encounter any issues or need help, your school or district office is the primary contact for support. Where enabled, you can also conveniently report student absences directly through the application, streamlining communication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.